In order to find the angle of intersection of two curves, these are the only formulas. Tan phi is equal to r into d theta by dr. This is one formula. Second formula is cot phi is equal to 1 by r into dr by d theta. And the angle of intersection is nothing but phi 1 minus mod of phi 1 minus phi 2. I'll tell you what this phi 1 and phi 2 means. Don't worry. And then these are not two separate formulas actually. These are just one formula. I have just written two forms of it. See, tan is nothing but 1 by cot, right? Cot and tan are inverses of each other. Tan is nothing but 1 by cot. Cot is nothing but 1 by tan. So tan and cot are inverses of each other. That's why the RHs are the inverses of each other. See, here R, here 1 by R. Here d theta by dr, here there is dr by d theta. So they are inverses of each other, okay? So these are just two different forms of one single formula. Just remember one of these two, that's more than enough. And this is the angle of intersection, okay? Now let's solve the first question. First question is R is equal to sine theta plus cos theta, and then r is equal to 2 sine theta. These are the two equation of curves given to you. Always when you're finding angle of two curves, obviously two curves will be given to you. These are the two equations of the curves. From here, find phi 1. From using this equation, find phi 2. Once you get phi 1 and phi 2, just take the subtraction and take the mod of it, and that will be the angle of intersection. Okay. So let's see. Parallelly, let's solve these two. For any question on angle between two curves, the first step is always the same, which is log on both sides. Log on both sides. For both the equations, take log on both sides. Okay. So take log on both sides. You will get log r is equal to a log of sine theta plus cos theta, right? Yeah. And then now come to this equation. Take log on both sides. You will get log r is equal to a log of 2 sine theta. Okay. And then you can't see you can see that it's clearly simplified actually. Am I right? There's no need for you to simplify it any further. I mean, if there is scope for simplifying, please go ahead. Use trigonometric formulas, use logarithmic formulas. By the way, if you haven't watched my previous video, which is angle between radius vector and tangent, please watch that. This is nothing but continuity of that, I would say. This concept is nothing but continuity of that concept. So if you watch that 3 videos that I posted regarding that topic, this will be very, very easy. Trust me, this will be very easy to you. Okay. These are nothing but the continuation of that concept actually. Okay. So there is no any scope of simplification. Okay. So when there is no any scope of simplification, or when you feel that it's enough, when you feel that it is enough simplified, that it is simplified enough, you have to differentiate it on both sides. Differentiate both sides with respect to theta. This is very important. Okay. Differentiate both sides for both the equations. Okay. Differentiate both sides with respect to theta. Okay. Come here. Let's differentiate this. Differentiation of log r with respect to theta is 1 by r into dr by d theta. Okay. The shortcut to solve such kind of question is, see, there is no theta over here. There is only log r, but requirement is you have to differentiate it with respect to theta. In that case, what you should do is first differentiate this normally with respect to r itself, which is nothing but 1 by r. After doing this, just multiply it with dr by d theta. If it was log w, it would be 1 by w into dw by d theta. If it was log s, it would be 1 by s into ds by d theta, like that. Okay. Now differentiate this. Okay. This is nothing but chain rule. You have to use chain rule. Okay. I'm not going to do the entire chain rule. It will take a very long to explain. If you don't know chain rule, please watch some videos, the basics of chain rule. That's more than enough. But okay, I have done it here actually. Have a look here. I have done it. Okay. Log of sine theta plus cos theta, right? So I took y as log of sine theta plus cos theta, applied chain rule, and finally got this as a differentiated result. So let me directly do this. You can just pause this video now, take a screenshot of this working, and then try to understand it. Okay. But if I try to explain this, it takes more time. So this is the final. So let me copy paste this over there. Okay. Cos theta minus sine theta, cos theta minus sine theta by sine theta plus cos theta. Okay. Now come to this equation. Differentiate both sides with respect to theta. Same. 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to um, log of 2 sine theta is again chain rule. Okay. So I have done it here for you guys. This is the working of it. Take a screenshot, pause the video, take a screenshot of this if you want, and try to understand. But if you don't know chain rule, please learn chain rule. Okay. It's very important to solve such kind of questions. Only the basics. Don't go in depth. Okay. Is equal to cos theta by sine theta, which is nothing but cos by sine is cot. So that is nothing but cot theta. Okay. Now look at this. 1 by r into dr by d theta is nothing but cot 1 by r into dr by d theta is nothing but cot phi. Okay. So let me replace this LHS with cot phi 1. Yeah, because there are two equations. So from this, I will get phi 1. Okay. From this, I'll get phi 2. Understood? Okay. So since this is, we are dealing with this equation, I referred this to as cot phi 1 is equal to, now, now we have to do a little bit of simplification because the goal is to find phi 1. Am I right? Phi 1 and phi 2. Now, it is cot phi 1. How to find phi 1 from an equation like this? The only way to do this is you have to somehow change this RHS in terms of cot. Only then cot and cot would be same. And then you can equate the angles and say that phi 1 is equal to whatever you get. Did you get the logic? Now try to simplify this in order to get something in form of cot. Okay. Now we all know that. Yeah. Now we all know that. We all know that tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. From here, sine theta is equal to what? Sine theta is equal to cos theta into tan theta. Am I right? From this, just multiply this both. So that's what I'll do here. Instead of sine theta, I'll put cos theta into tan theta just to simplify it. Okay, just watch the magic how it gets simplified. So cos theta minus, in place of sine, what did I say? Cos into tan. Cos theta into tan theta by, in place of sine, again I'll put cos theta into tan theta plus cos theta. This is the first equation. Now 1 by r into dr by d phi is we saw that is cot phi. Okay. So in this equation, I'll refer to this as cot phi 2. This is cot phi 1. This is cot phi 2. Okay. Yeah. Cot phi 1, cot phi 2 is equal to cot theta. That is nothing to simplify. See, it's already in terms of cot here. You get the logic, right? Cot. So no problem. So you can say that cot phi is equal to theta. But here cot is here, but you have to change this into cot. Let's see how to change this. Let's continue the simplification here. So cot phi 1 is equal to, yeah. Can you see cos and cos common in the numerator, and in the denominator again cos and cos are common. So let me take it common. Let me take it as common in both numerator and denominator. One plus tan theta. Okay. So this cos and cos will cancel. So 1 minus this will remain as it is, no change. Okay. Yeah. So cos and cos will cancel. Remaining is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. So this is a direct formula actually. 1 minus tan theta, okay, by 1 plus tan theta is nothing but cot of pi by 4 plus theta. How did I write this? How did I write this is, just look at here. Just look at this. Cot a plus b is equal to this. Okay. Now, cot pi by 4 plus theta, if I take, okay, so cot pi by 4 plus theta, if I take and put it in this formula, apply a plus b here, you will get this. Okay. So tan 45 is 1. Pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45. Tan 45 value is 1. So 1 minus tan theta as it is. Tan theta as it is by tan 45 is 1 plus tan theta as it is. So 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is what? Cot pi by 4 plus theta. just nothing but cot A plus B formula. That's all it is. Okay. So that's how I wrote here. Actually, that question that I told you, right? That was a previous, so I mean, that was a solution for previous videos. So please go watch that video where I discussed about angle between radius vector and tangent. This topic is nothing but a continuation of it. Okay. Okay. Now this will remain as it is. So now problem solved. See here, we have cot, cot. Here also we have, for the second equation also we have cot and cot. Now we can equate the angles. Phi 1, you can say that it is pi by 4 plus theta. And from here, phi 2, we can tell it as theta. Just equate the angles by making the trigonometric ratio as the same thing. Cot, cot, it's the same. So you can equate the angles. Cot, cot, it's the same. So you can equate the angles. Yeah. And then since that's all. Phi 1 is this, phi 2 is this. And to find the angle of intersection, take mod and subtract both. Phi 1 minus phi 2. So let's do it off finally. Angle of intersection is mod of phi 1 is pi by 4 plus theta. Okay. Yeah. Minus theta. Mod. So theta minus theta will cancel and only mod pi by 4 will be remaining. That is nothing but just pi by 4. Mod means nothing but its positive value. If in case if you add minus pi by 4, it will change it to positive. So mod means it's always a positive outcome, positive output. That's all. So the angle between these two curves is finally pi by 4. Okay. So talk from that's all. One question is more than enough actually to regarding this concept. Please go watch the previous topic, which is angle between the radius vector and the tangent. This is nothing but the continuation of it. So because of that, I'm going to solve only one problem in this video regarding this topic. Thank you for watching. And then wait a second. If you're looking to learn any of these programming languages, I'm a software engineer and a freelance trainer. So I'll be glad to teach you personally as well. Full stack web development, front end or back end, or any of these libraries or programming languages, be it a student or be it a professional who wants to transition to IT industry. I'm here to help you all to optimize your learning journey and learning path. So in the description of this video, I've given an email ID. So send me an email conveying your interest or whatever your queries regarding the training is. I will get in touch with you and start away immediately. And let's embark with the new journey of learning. So thank you for watching till here. Subscribe the channel because this channel is only for, I mean, it's mainly for engineering mathematics. So if you're an engineering student watching this video, you need this channel a lot. It'll be more helpful to you. So please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.